Today, I'm diving into the mesmerizing world of graphic design, where I'll unlock the secrets to making your 2D graphics pop with stunning 3D effects. Get ready to take your designs from flat to fantastic in a matter of seconds, all without breaking the bank. Stick around as I uncover the magic behind this simple yet powerful tool, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. So grab your creative juices and let's turn those 2D dreams into 3D realities. Let's dive in. The AI tool that we will be using today is called Styla.ai. Now to start turning 2D graphics into 3D images, click on New Project. Here you can rename your project. You can choose a canvas dimension. You can also choose an aspect ratio, then click on Apply. Here we will upload our images. Now let us convert this image to look like a 3D model. We'll click on Image to Image. We'll choose a style. Choose on Realistic Style. And then below you can write a prompt describing your image, or you can let AI describe the image for you. To do that, click on Auto Prompt. AI just generated the prompts for us. And now to start generating our images, click on Stylize. Styla.ai will begin the process of generating 4 images for us. So this is the first image. Okay. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. I think the first one looks perfect. Now here you can click on this one to place on canvas. To generate different variation of this image, you can click on variation, and Styla.ai will create 4 different variations of this image that closely resembles our image. Let us preview the images. So this is the first one. Okay, this is the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. I like the fourth one. If you wanted to export this image, you can come over here and click on export, and then click on download to download our image. Let us try a different image. So then on the prompts, we're going to click on auto prompts so the AI can analyze and write prompts for us about our image. To generate 3D images of our image right here, click on Stylize, and Styla.ai will begin generating 3D images for us. Let us preview the images. Okay, this is the first one. Wow, this looks incredible. This is the second one. The third one pretty much looks the same. Okay, the first one looked perfect. To export it, just click on export and then click on download to download the image. And the image will be saved on your computer. Now let us try to create different variations of our image right here. Styla.ai will begin the process of generating 4 different variations of our image. It generated 4 different variations of this image right here. So let us preview the images. This is the first one. This is the second one. Okay. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. So I like the second one. I think the second one looks cool. Then I'll place it on the canvas. Let us try a different image. So click on import images. Let us use this image right here. Now to start generating 3D images of our image, click on image to image. Leave the style as realistic and then click on auto prompt for the AI to generate the prompts of our image. It has generated this prompt of our image. Now to start generating 4 different variations of our image, click on Stylize. So here are the different 3D images that Styla.ai generated of our image. So this is the first one, okay. The second one, no. The third one, no. The fourth one, no. This one closely resembles our image right here. If you would like to generate variations of this image, we're going to click on variation, and Stylize will begin generating 4 different variations of the image. So this is the first image. This is the second one, the third one, the fourth one. Okay. You can choose to place the image on the canvas and then click on export and download to download the image. Let's try and upload a different image. To do that, we're going to delete this one and then click on import images. Choose another different image that we like to import. So let's say we want to import this one. To generate 3D images from our image, click on image to image like we did previously. We're going to leave a style as realistic and then auto generate prompts of our image using AI. To generate 3D images of our image, click on Stylize. Let us preview the images. This is the first one. It looks great. Okay, the second one also looks perfect. I like this one. So this one we can choose to place on canvas. If you want to download this image, click on export and then click on download, and the image will be saved on your computer. If you want to generate 3D images from our image right here, we're going to repeat the same process. Click on image to image and then auto generate prompts. To generate the 3D images, we're going to click on Stylize. First one looks like this. the second one, the third one, this is the fourth one. I think this one looks close to our image, so we can place it on the canvas. And if you want to download this image, just click on export and click on download. You can also add or remove objects in the image. If you wanted to remove this pink right here, you can click right here and then highlight it and then click on remove. You can see that it is removed. Perfect. And that's a wrap, folks. I've unveiled the secrets to transforming your 2D graphics into stunning 3D masterpieces, and best of all, it didn't cost a dime. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to elevate your designs to new heights. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing tutorials and creative tips. Your support means the world to me, and it keeps the creative juices flowing. As always, keep experimenting, creating, and remember, the only limit is your imagination. Until next time, happy designing. Goodbye.